Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Kay here, and I am happy to announce, I think, with my black batch cooking tendencies, that I have joined the 30-day tag event organised by Artymaze and Tracie Fox, who have collaborated to make a kit, a digital kit, and they have each a kit on their websites on Etsy should you decide to buy them. But the upshot of the whole thing is that you have 30 days to make 30 kits, and the challenge ends on July 18th. So I'm already late for the party, but I'm afraid that's nothing new for me. And I have made my first little batch, which I'll share with you. But should there be anyone there that hasn't heard of the challenge, all you need to do is join the Artymaze group on Facebook. There will be questions that you need to answer before your application is validated and accepted, and then you're set to go, so to speak. So here are the tags that I've made so far. They're different sizes, but I have tried to utilise the tags, other bits and pieces that I've got lying around. I've glossy accented, as you can see, on the butterfly and the little floral post here. There's a little bit of ribbon here. Very, very basic, very, very simple. People are really turning it into one magical event. But with so many to make, I just wanted to do what I could with what I've got to hand, basically. So that is number one. Number two is a very similar. I think that, you know, I haven't done a whole lot of layering. The stitching that you're seeing around the tag is actually part of the DigiKit, so I've not even had to do any sewing. It's very much cutting out and layering up the tag so that it's there and ready to go. Here is another one, and again I've just used the glossy accents. I've put some buttons on, lace, I've rolled some jute string into circles and run it down the length of the lace that is already in situ, stamped, I did a little bit of stenciling. No stamping as yet because 30 is a lot, and I'm trying to spread out what I can add to the tags as I go along. There's another one with the sayings. The colours are lovely, they're muted. This is the Artymaze tag set. I've not bought the other tag set as yet. I'll probably do that later on. But I purchased this one from Artymaze's store, and the amount of tags you get, even supposing you layered them up 3 times and, you know, inked them and then added the extra bits to them, the kit is very worthwhile. This is just some of the ephemera that you get, the words, little stamps like this that you can just put together and add to your tags if that's what you want to do. The butterflies, there is such a lot of different components to it, and as I say, it is then just a question of cutting it all out, making some rhyme and reason from what you've got in front of you, utilising your own little bits and pieces if that's what you want to do, and then start making the tags for the challenge. There is a prize at the end of it. I will leave that with you when, you know, the time is right. You just need to follow the link for Artymaze's channel on YouTube and her Facebook group, and all will become clear. I know one of them is a course with Tracie Fox. Whether it's online or not, I don't know. and then there's another significant something, but I can't remember what it is, so I'll leave it with you to do a little bit of detective work. In the meantime, here is another of my little tags. I have shared them on Instagram, so you can have a closer look at them if that's what you'd like to do. And now we're getting to the smaller ones, but they are, you know, such fun to make. I started yesterday, I think, and this is what I've come up with so far. I'm hoping that I can break my own habit of making things very, very similar and come up with some variations on a theme as the tags progress, because 30 is not an insignificant number, and what I've shared with you here, I believe, is 10 of that 30. I know some people are opting to make 100. You know, that is a vast amount of crafting, and if you've got other things that you need to do, then settling for the 30 or whatever happens to fall into your hand by that due date, which is again July 18th. You know, you have to do what suits you. So I hope I've tickled your little taste buds and given you food for thought, and that perhaps you would like to join. It's hashtag 30 tags. If you're looking into it to see a little bit more about it before you commit to the challenge. So I shall love you and leave you, having shared my makes to date. When I've got some more to share with you, needless to say, I will be back and take you through what I've done. I've robbed cereal boxes and all sorts to make these possible, but you know, this is what it is all about. Use what you've got to hand. It doesn't have to cost the earth. You don't even have to purchase the tag kits. It's just that if you do, things are a whole lot easier, because there are lots of inspiration in the kits to help you on your way. So thank you again for sharing this time with me. It's very much appreciated. Stay well, everyone. Bye bye for now.